The JL Audio 12W0 has a strong reputation as a dependable subwoofer for entry-level systems. But before you buy, it's important to look beyond the brand name. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 5 real-world reasons why the 12W0 might not meet your expectations. First, the power handling is very limited. Rated at just 300 watts RMS, the 12W0 can't handle the kind of serious amplification that many modern systems demand. If you plan to upgrade amplifiers or push for high output levels, this subwoofer will quickly become the weak link in your setup. Second, bass output is modest at best. The 12W0 prioritizes clean sound over raw output. While the bass is tight and accurate, it lacks the deep, hard-hitting low end that many buyers today expect, especially in larger vehicles or builds where impactful bass is critical. Third, the design is outdated. Compared to newer subwoofers in the same price range, the 12W0's materials and motor structure feel behind the times. Brands like Scar, Sundown, and Alpine offer more modern designs with stronger cooling, better suspension, and greater overall performance for a similar cost. Fourth, enclosure dependency is high. To get even decent performance, the JL12W0 requires a perfectly matched enclosure. Deviate from the recommended specs and you'll lose tightness, efficiency, and output. Prefab boxes or poorly built enclosures simply don't work well with the subwoofer, meaning more time and money to get it right. Fifth, price versus performance is questionable today. While JL Audio is known for quality, the 12W0 is often priced higher than competitors offering better output, higher power handling, and more modern technology. You're paying a premium for the brand name, not necessarily for better real-world performance. In conclusion, while the JL Audio 12W0 delivers clean bass and solid reliability for casual listening, its limitations in power handling, output strength, design innovation, enclosure sensitivity, and overall value mean it may not satisfy users looking for bigger bass or a more future-proof system.